Good morning and welcome everybody. Today we are talking about matter. Matter, you can find it in everything. In water, the matter, you can find it in water, wood, air, everything around me is made of matter. We are made of matter. Humans, living or the living organism made of matter. The food that we eat, made of matter. The water that we drink, made of matter. So the matter is important for us. So let's study the properties of matter. The matter has many properties, like what? We study the mass, we study the volume, also the length. Mass is a physical quantity and it represents the amount of matter in the object. So this is the mass, amount or a quantity of the matter in the object. Volume, volume here is talking about the space taken by this matter. So this one is talking about the space taken by the object or the matter. The lens is talking about lenses of our objects, like the pencil, a lens for a table, a lens for a classroom, a lens for your room, a lens for a car, just a distance from one point to point. Distance, like distance here, or we are talking about the height. Or width. All these quantities are related to the same concept. Let's talk about length. Length is important in our life, in selling and buying things. Selling and buying clothes, or selling and buying pieces of food. You need to measure its length to pay and give your seller the right cost. So let's deal with some tools for it. To measure the length, you need some measuring tools and some units. Here in this picture, we are dealing with the first tool here. This one is a measuring ruler. This measuring ruler is used for measuring small lengths, like what? A pencil, a lens for a pencil, a lens for a book, let's say it's book of science. That's the ruler. Next tool here is a graduated tape. We have here. This one is used for measuring large lenses, like your classroom, like the lens for a car, like a lens for a table. So the bigger the lens, the bigger the need for more larger tool, more bigger tool for measuring these lenses with the easiest way. So this one is used for measuring large lenses. Like what? A table, lens of a table, lens of a car, lens of a classroom, lens of a room. Now we finished the measuring tools. We'll talk about the measuring units. Moments. The first one is a centimeter. And you can write it in short, cm. Another unit which is larger than the centimeter, the meter. The short for it is m. Another one, kilometer. The short one is km. Centimeter is used for measuring small lengths, like what? Length of a pencil, as I said, length of a book. So it is suitable to use this measuring unit. No need for measuring it by larger units. Example here, if you have this pen, and we said this pen is 10. So it is suitable to write the units here measured by using ruler centimeter in centimeter. The meter unit here used for measuring larger unit like a classroom or a table. So we use this unit for expressing it. The meter here equals 100 centimeter. Kilometer is used for measuring very large lenses as a distance from your country to another place as you are traveling. So it's a bigger unit because there is a bigger lenses, bigger distances that you are traveling every day for it. So kilometer here equals 1000 of meter. Imagine this number. Imagine you are stretching your hands and you count 1000 times from your hand. That's a big distance to give you 1 kilometer. Until then, we will meet again in the next time. Goodbye.